Welcome to our daily quick at-home workout. We are going to build some incredible flexibility today in just 10 minutes with a great dynamic stretch. Let's get started. We're gonna take our high knee and twist today. Let's go. 10 minutes of movement, dynamic stretches. So we're gonna warm up the body, get the heart beating a little faster, the blood flowing, boost our mood, elevate our energy, continue to build incredible discipline and consistency. One member of our community asked for a stretching routine. We can do static stretches. We just sit on the floor and do some stretches. It can be beautiful, relaxing. Today though, I want to do it where we keep moving. So we really energize ourselves to start the day, but get a great stretch in also. Really get that knee up as high as you can. Try to twist. Lovely. Short and sweet, like always. We are gonna get so much accomplished though. Pick up the pace if you can. Just so we get nice and warm, body limber, muscles a little bit more pliable. Okay, shake that out a bit. Just get loose. Let's really get the back nice and warm. Twist. Bring the stance out a little bit further. But just focus on the back right now. And just twist, baby. Can twist and reach. Get a little deeper into each twist if you can. Find your flow. You can go quicker. You can go real slow if you want to. If you just really want to focus on a nice, deep stretch, go slowly. If you want to warm the body up more, choose your own adventure as always. Do what's right for you. The whole point is just to move. Find ways to get more movement into our day. Let's take that other side lunge. Get the legs going down and reach it. Stretch out the inner thighs. Slow and deliberate is lovely. Quicker is great also. Give real attention, real focus into this. Bring a bit meditative practice into our stretching. Build focus and attention. Oh yeah. And one more. Hold that, hold that. Yeah. Okay, you might want a chair for this. I'm gonna give it a go. So a standing quad stretch, but we're just gonna go from one to the other. Hold it for as long as you can. We can build a little bit of balance today too. The idea is to move, just do your best. If you have a chair in front, that could be really useful. Just keep with this for a moment. Find what works best for you. You can hold it for an extra. Yeah, just rather than, and you're gonna fall sometimes. No worries. It's funny how balance goes. Some days you're on it, you just could stand like a statue all day. And other days, like today for me, on my right leg, I'm a little wobbly. It's all right. There is no perfection here. Can we just get 1%, just a little bit better today than we were yesterday? One of my great teachers, Wayne Dyer, always talked about nobility. Nobility not being better than anybody else, simply being a little bit better than you were yesterday, the week before, a month ago. If we can do that every day, we're getting somewhere. Hold it, and let's go one more on the other side. Nice. Okay, let's go for a walk together. We just had a video not that long ago about the power of walking, and just roll the shoulders, but let's do it while we walk. If you don't have space, you can just standing in place is terrific also, if you can. So just rolling the shoulders back, head up, look to where you're going, real dignity. You carry yourself when you walk into a room, project confidence. Yeah, nice stretch. Maybe start to roll the shoulders forward now. Brilliant. Ooh, make sure I don't walk off camera. Yeah. Arm circles now, okay? Shoulders be warm, really getting mobility there. I'm gonna do this with a lateral movement. So I just wanna stay in perpetual motion here while I rotate, change the arms forward, backwards, whatever works best for you. Just as we go for about 30 seconds here, switch them up. And then just find your flow and real focus into this. Start to pay attention to the sensation in your shoulders and your lateral lat muscles up top around your neck. I love the idea of stretching, but continuing to stay moving. Find I can stretch more deeply then because the body just gets nice and warm. Okay, shake that out. Let's go for a walk again. It's gonna be, you're gonna step, opposite hand, touch your toe if you can. Real good hamstring stretch. Certainly okay to do this just standing. If you can walk, happy days. If you're standing, lovely. It's still dynamic if you're standing. For this one, just going opposites rather than just staying in hold. You can hold it for a little longer, maybe a few seconds. Let's go for a couple more passes. Love this stretch. How lucky are we to be alive right now, to be moving. Oh yeah, hold it. Oh yes. Oh, okay. Oh, shake, shake, shake. And keep going on the hamstrings. You might want to bend your knees. We're just gonna try to touch, just get as low as you can. This might be like this. That's fine. We're getting a stretch in the glutes, hamstrings, even in the calves. If you can get down to the ground, how lovely. If you can't, maybe one day, no problem. But just find a nice flow. Start to notice, bring a little twist into it also. Stretch out the back. This is gonna be it for today. So let's move together. Another 20 seconds or so. Just give it all your attention, all your focus. See if you can't just reach a little bit further down with each movement. Stick with me, come on. And come on up. How's that? Make sure you comment when you're done. Job done. Let me know how you feel. Okay. You can be done. Carry on with your day. Join me for just a moment. Meditation, if you will. Sure, just a time to practice paying attention and focusing. Eliminating distractions. Bring all your attention just to your breath. And just notice. Stand in mountain posture here. Hands forward. Eyes closed or open. It's up to you. And just be. And just notice your breath. And every time your mind wanders, you bring your attention back to your breath. Welcome back. Our breath is always available to us. That one breath can make such a difference. You're standing in line, you're getting frustrated, you're in traffic. One conscious breath can make a huge difference from reacting to maybe responding in a way that more aligns with the person you want to be. Thank you so much. I feel amazing. I hope you do too. I will see you tomorrow.